Hi everyone, once again. So let's add a view to display all these nodes. So let's go to our Visual Studio Code, and here in the views resources and views, let's create a folder with nodes. The folder name should be nodes, to that all the views related to nodes will be here to arrange properly. So inside the nodes, let's add index.blade.php. Here, this index.blade.php is very similar to the um, dashboard that we have created before. So let's copy everything from here and paste in the blade.index.php. Now let's change these nodes, this dashboard with nodes, and this one with all nodes. Save it and check the browser. Sorry, we haven't updated our controller index method yet. So now after, when save these changes, after that go to apps, controllers, app controllers, app http, and then controllers, and here the our node controller. So here we, in the index method, when we fetch all the nodes from a database, and then we let's display here, let's return the view here. So return view, and this is which view? This is the index.blade.php, which is inside the node folder. So we will use the dot notation, nodes dot index. Index. Let's check it now and refresh the browser. And the error was, it is not note, it is notes. So let's refresh once again. Yeah, we have the view with all nodes. So now let's go back to our controller, and while we are returning the view, let's pass the nodes also that we have already fetched. So we can use the with helper method, and here we can pass the nodes. So a variable nodes, and the second argument will be the nodes. Now in the index view, go to the index view, here resources, views, nodes view, and index.blade.php. Here remove these two divs, and here we should use the for each directive to display the nodes. So for each nodes as note, and here I should create a div. Inside this div we will have h1 tag, sorry, h2 tag should be better, h2, and in the h2 tag we will display the title, $note title, and after the title we will display in a paragraph tag the note text, $note text. Let's check this time again. There is again some issue. Okay, we haven't closed the for each method properly. Let's check again. The error was that we didn't properly close the for each method. So using the for each directive, we will create a div. Inside this div, using h2 tag we will display the titles, and using a paragraph tag we want to display the text. So let's check now this time. So you see we are getting the titles and the text, and the next title and the text. So let's add some styling. So I will paste some styling, you can copy. For the h2 tag I want to use this. So now let's, and for the paragraph also we should add some styling, you can copy this. So let's check again and refresh. Yes, we have the proper title and text. If the CSS doesn't working, or it doesn't apply the action, so let's check one function, npm run watch, to keep watching the changes in CSS's and compile. Let's check again. And let's check the the heading was not bold because the CSS's were not recompiled again. So what I did, I closed this one by pressing Ctrl C and run the command npm run dev to recompile the CSS's again, or any change in the CSS's, and after that you see now the CSS are working. Now I want to add here the updated time of each node. So let's go back to our view here, and after the paragraph let's add a span tag, and here let's display the updated time. So notes $note updated at. Now let's check again. Yeah, we got the time, but the format of the time and date is not human readable. So to make this human readable, let's add the functionality which is diff for humans, and diff for humans, like this. Now let's refresh again and check once again. Now you see the time is very much human readable. Okay, I want to add some styling to the span tag also, so let's add this one and let's refresh and check. Yes, it is nice now, but there is one issue. For example, if let's suppose there are no nodes yet, the nodes table, if let's suppose the nodes table is empty, so in that case what to display if the nodes are empty? So in that case, let's change the for each method to for else. So in that case, the for each change to for else, and here yeah, I think I should not do like the for else like this. Okay, the same coding, and here we should add the empty before the nodes. Here we should add the empty directive. If for example sorry, it's the extension is if empty. Okay, so if it is empty, then it should be a p paragraph tag, and in this paragraph tag I just want to write you have no nodes yet, nodes yet. That's all. So we cannot check it because we still have the nodes. We will check this later. We will do some changes to this view later on.